If you want to learn how to color and Krita animation quickly and cleanly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fill colors for animation using Krita, especially when you're working with simple shapes and clean line art. This method is perfect when you want to speed up your workflow, avoid messy edges, and keep your animation frames looking professional. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Krita tutorials just like this one. All right, let's jump in. First, open your Krita project and make sure your line art is already on its own layer. This is really important because for animation, you want your outlines to stay clean while you add color underneath them. The first step is to create a brand new paint layer directly underneath your line art layer. That way, when you fill in the colors, everything stays separated and organized. Keeping your layer structure clean also makes it much easier to go back and adjust colors later if needed. Now select the Fill tool from the toolbar. This is the paint bucket icon, and it's the fastest tool for filling simple enclosed areas. Once the Fill tool is active, look over to the Tool Options stalker. Here, you want to change the reference setting to All Layers. This is a very helpful setting because it lets Krita recognize your line art even if you're painting on a separate layer underneath it. Without this, the fill might not work the way you expect, especially in animation files where your line art and color are on different layers. Next, set the Grow selection value to 1 pixel or 2 pixels. This small adjustment is one of the most important parts of the process because it helps prevent those annoying white gaps that can appear near the edges of your line art. If you've ever filled a shape and noticed tiny uncolored lines around the border, this setting is usually the fix. A Grow selection of 1 pixel or 2 pixels gives the fill a little extra room so the color reaches all the way under the line without spilling too far outside it. After that, zoom in if needed and click inside the area you want to color. Krita will fill the empty space with your selected color. If your line art is closed properly, this should work very smoothly. For animation, this is especially useful because you can repeat the process frame by frame or layer by layer without spending a long time manually painting every section. It's fast, efficient, and great for keeping your workflow moving. If the fill doesn't look perfect on the first click, don't worry. You can always undo, adjust the Grow selection slightly, or make sure your line art has no open gaps. Sometimes even the smallest break in a line can cause the fill to leak or miss an area. So if that happens, check the outlines and try again. The better your line art is closed, the cleaner your fill will be. Once you've filled your main shapes, you can continue selecting different colors and repeating the same process for each part of your character or animation frame. This is one of the easiest ways to build a solid coloring workflow in Krita, especially if you're just getting started with animation. It helps you stay organized, work faster, and avoid the frustration of coloring each frame by hand in a slow, complicated way. So to quickly recap, create a new paint layer under your line art, choose the Fill tool, set reference to All Layers, adjust Grow selection to 1 or 2 pixels, and click inside the shape to fill it with color. That's the simple method for coloring in Krita animation using the fastest fill workflow. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Krita tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next animation tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.